Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some colors. Blue color. This is orange. This is pink color. This one yellow. And this is green. Let's draw some shapes. Circle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, square, parallelogram. Let's draw some colors. This is light green color, light sea color. This one light pink color. This is yellow color. This one light green color. Orange color. This is deep pink color. Circle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, square, parallelogram. Okay, bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.